I know the dog like, girl, you took us in but never showed us what happened. Sorry. Y'all. Girl. You look like Drake.
Do you want me? Do you wanna love me like that?
What's up, loves, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, everybody's new here, so go ahead and say what's up in the comments. We are starting from scratch. For everybody who's come back to watch my videos, thank you so much. Today's video, you guys, I am doing a shoe collection, like a dunk collection, because I'm starting my sneaker collection over again, y'all. So this will be my second time or third time starting my sneaker collection over. I used to be a huge sneakerhead. Like, I had every Jordan, every Dunk, every Puma, every what's it called, every Van, that's when Vans was popping. So if you don't know about Vans, you're probably too young. But I had every Chuck, every whatever it was, like I had it. I ended up giving my sneakers to my little baby cousin because he played basketball, and when he was growing up, he used to run through shoes because baby, he like 6'5", 6'6" now. Baby was growing, okay? So I got a big foot. My shoe size is women's 10.5, 11, men's 9, 9.5. So yes, your girl is about 5'8". I'm really 5'7.5", but nobody ever believes me, so I just say I'm 5'8". Where are we gonna start? Oh, hold on, y'all already know. I have to start with a prickly. 1 second.
No, I don't feel the ground, but I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Just making me feel this way, and it's kind of
Y'all, I love these things. If you already know me, it's Prickly Pear Original. So Prickly, I think y'all should give me a little shout out, a little sponsor for a video, because I love y'all. I love y'all so much. It's so hydrating. I love drinking the cactus water, y'all. So let's get into this video. First thing first, let's get into this hair. I did it myself. This is actually a braid out on an old flat iron. Well, it's not really, well, is it a week? It's like a week old, but I had it braided up. Y'all know I keep my hair tied up, all that. If you saw my last video, you saw I was in a bonnet. I don't care. This is where I come to be cool, be real with y'all. So yeah, y'all not gonna see me on Instagram like that. So if you want to see how I look all, you know, glitter dazzle, go on my Instagram. It's right here. And if y'all be on TikTok, because I'm praying that they don't get rid of TikTok, y'all can go on TikTok and see like a lot of things, like quick unboxings, or when I do like quick get ready with me, things like that. All the things for the love of girls. So earrings I got from probably the Beauty Supply for $1. They're super cute, but I've had these for a long time. I think I've had these for like at least 5 years. I got them from the Beauty Supply for like $1. Hoodie, of course, since we get into the dunks today, I got this hoodie. Actually, this hoodie was red and I bleached it, and that's how I got it this color. So if y'all looking for this hoodie, you're not gonna find it because I bleached a red hoodie, and this is what I got. It has the little pocket, and this is like, I think, a 2X, because I like my hoodies oversized. I like the baggy look when I wear a hoodie. I don't like them super tight on me. Like, that's not comfortable. I wear a hoodie because I want to feel like it's a blanket on me. So yeah, that's that. If you guys want to see this makeup look that I did, it's on my Instagram reel or it's on my TikTok. I don't know which one yet because I probably filmed it today or something. I don't know, but they're gonna be on one of those platforms, so y'all go ahead and follow me, same name on those platforms. Anyways, let's get into this video. Like I said, the first shoe that I'm gonna do is so this video is all dedicated to dunks, y'all. This is a dunk video. I love dunks because 1, I could always find my size at Nike.com. 2, they're not even expensive. They're really not expensive, like $100. And 3, they're comfortable. I got a big foot. Y'all, it's hard finding shoes for us Bigfoot people, okay? Like, y'all 6, 7, and 8 sizes, y'all can always find your size. But us, you know, 9, 10, 11, and up, they sell out so fast. And I got a theory too. So my theory of why the bigger sizes sell out is because of, you know, those certain people that like to dress, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat, the trans men out here taking up the sizes, okay? Heels, whatever, and they got a big old foot, so they taking up the shoe sizes, okay? That's why I can't find my size. Now, the Lord blessed me with a little height, not too much, but he blessed me with a little height. And you know, the men's is coming in taking my shoes, and I don't appreciate that. I don't care what y'all say. You can get in the comments and we can talk about it, because I don't care. All this call a man by a girl, or no, baby, that's disrespectful. I'm not doing it. And argue with your mama, because she made you. So the Lord gave her. Sorry, deal with it. Talk to the Lord about it. I'm not about to sit here and pretend like you something, because that's disrespectful to me. First of all, full-fledged woman to sit up here and act like, okay, you know what, that's another video. Let me know if y'all want to talk about real issues, political issues, because I'm into that too. We should do that. I should have sections on my channel where we can go political, you know, coffee, travel. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see and what we should talk about in this channel, because I've got a lot to say, you know, you know. I feel like I've experienced a lot of it in my years. And if my stories and testimony can help the next person, I think that's what the Lord would want. So that, you know, if you find out information, you ain't got to struggle, because I don't believe in gatekeeping so that the next person can struggle. Why am I gatekeeping? There's no reason to gatekeep. Anybody who likes to gatekeep, you're selfish, and the Lord don't like that. He don't like when we're selfish to prove, oh, I know more than you, and da-da-da-da-da. No, baby, what do you know? Because maybe the Lord is going to send you to give me that little gem that I was missing. It could be one word and it, boop, girl, thank you. But I don't know if y'all ready for those type of conversations about God. But let me know if some of y'all are, because we could put a section in there for that too. I just want to know what y'all want to see. But let's get into this video, because baby, I could be talking here all day. So yes, I use the Shein bags to put my shoes in when they're not in boxes. I've been keeping my boxes lately just because my closet is like this. Usually I will have my shoes out, but my racks for my shoes are just, they're way too high. So I clean my shoes every time I wear them. Like after I'm done wearing them, I do sanitize them and I'll put them in the bag. Even when I'm traveling, you know, I'll put them in plastic bags, because I don't want that all on my shoe. So these are some Nike high dunks. Y'all don't know the name because I don't have the box, but yeah, these are very comfortable. These are women's. This is a size, oh no, I lied, these not the women's ones. This is a men's 9. Oh, I could it has a QR code on here. May 26, 2022 through, they stopped making them in August of 2022. So yeah, if y'all want to know what they are, yeah, they're one of my favorites. The lighting, y'all, the lighting, let me see. Okay, y'all, my ring light went out and I forgot what setting I had it on, so back to the shoes. Anyways, the blue ones. The next one I have is the women's Nike Dunk Low in Phantom and Dark Team Red sale. Y'all, my mama coming in here asking me questions. Anyways, this is a 10.5 in women's, 9 in men. The next one I have is the Nike Dunk Low Retro in University Red and Obsidian White. This is a 9. Y'all, those blue and red ones, I love those so much. I can't wait to style them. I'm gonna put these little clips in my hair because every time I go to grab a shoe, it's like, girl, I look like Drake. Alright, the next one I have is a women's Nike Dunk Low in Biotech and Black, so hot fuchsia. It's a 10.5, women's, 9 men. Y'all, I was stalking the Nike site for these. Prickly pear break. Alright, y'all, the next one I have is a Nike Dunk Low Retro in a 9.5, white vintage green. Yeah. And then I have a women's Nike Dunk Low in an 11, so it's the sale, wolf gray and white, so it would be a men's 9.5. Y'all, these are one of my favorite. Like, when I say this is one of my favorite, this is one of my favorite. Fire. Big dog. And last but not least, y'all, these aren't a dunk, but they're like, there's some ones, but there's some Jordans. So they're the women's Air Jordan 1s. These are the ones that came out, I think, like a month ago in pale ivory and dragon red. Oh Lord. It's in a women's size 11, and they might have been in my other vlog. I think I did put them in my last vlog, or the unboxing when I was doing my entrepreneur vlog. If y'all saw that one, they over there too. Alright, y'all, so that's it for my sneaker haul. I'm gonna try to do a sneaker haul every month just to keep y'all updated on the sneakers that I'm getting, because I'm really rebuilding my sneaker collection. I don't know how many sneakers I'm gonna collect this time. The last time I had over close to 100, because I had so many, y'all. Like, I had so many sneakers, it was ridiculous. So I mean, I have other sneakers now, but they're not new. When I say, like, I have some old 12s, like, that I probably only wore maybe a few times. Like, I got some other ones. I got like a bunch of ones, but they're not new. They're not like I'm stepping out in those. Those are just like, I just have them. Not like raggedy. They're not gonna look cute with my outfits. Like, I have a big foot, and to wear like certain, like, I can't wear 3s, and I used to have a bunch of 3s, but like with my outfits now, with skinny jeans and stuff, they don't look right, you know. Maybe with baggy jeans, maybe I can pull them out again. But yeah, I used to have a bunch, like the 11s. Like, I feel like certain shoes on my feet, they don't look cute with just like an outfit. They look too tomboy, and I'm not like, I like that look, but I don't wear it often, you know. I'm not wearing oversized clothes like often, except if I wear like cargos or something, then I can wear them, but I'm not wearing it like all the time. I had so many sneakers because I play basketball, so I was playing basketball in my shoes. Like, people be like, oh my god, you're playing basketball in some Space Jams. Like, yeah, I am. But then like I started collecting them just to have them and to wear them with like outfits and stuff. And back then I was like 50 pounds lighter, so I was really skinny, so it was cute. It was like, oh, she's so cute. Now it looked like, you're a grown woman, what is you doing? I'd rather wear heels with the outfit. Some days I'll wear like sneakers with baggy pants, but that's only till I run to the grocery store and stuff like that. Not like I'm going out. I'm not stepping in that, you know. If I have other outfits I could wear, I'm stepping. But if I'm just running errands, yeah, I'm putting on some baggy pants or some cargos and some sneakers or some slides, and I'm gone. I'm gonna try to do a sneaker haul once a month. That way it could be a little longer. These were just the ones that came in. I'm still waiting on shoes to come. So yeah, thank y'all for watching. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, because y'all be watching but some of y'all don't be subscribing. We building a family here. I want to take y'all with me. You know, maybe some of y'all can relate to it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this mini sneaker haul, and I'll see y'all in part 2. All right, bye.